Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. I am coming on to show you this. I have created this recipe box. Really fun. Thought I'd do something a little bit different. So this is the recipe box. I decorated the front of it there. A few cutouts stuck on the front. Put the recipe thing across there and sort of stood it up a bit and done the leaves and the flower on the front there, a little butterfly. Decorated the sides and the back. Also stuck a bit on the bottom, and there's papers all on the inside as well. So the idea is just basically so you can put your recipe cards in, like some of your favorite recipes, and stand it on a little shelf in the kitchen or something, anywhere really. So we have breakfast and stuck the two cut apart bits on there, and then using the computer I created the recipe cards. It's a program on the computer that I use, and put in one of the background papers and faded it a bit so you can see on there. It's got ingredients on that side and the recipe. And then on the back you've got cooking time, prep time, and notes on there. There's about 5 of these in each part. On the top of one of the cards here, I just created this paper clip, so you can kind of stick it on one of your favorite recipes or the one that you go to all the time for making. And that is there's a card on there like so, and then just decorated the front of it. That has actually got a paper clip inside it, so it actually does attach to one of your cards like so, with the paper clip inside. You can't see the paper clip, it's actually hidden in there. So that's that. On the front here, I put a pen in there. I just put a piece of lace and a ribbon on the top of the pen, so that just tucks in the corner there. So that's your breakfast section. Then we've got lunch. Some more cards in there like so. Then we have dinners and some more recipe cards in there. And then we have desserts and more recipe cards in there. And then right at the back here, I created this little book, Treats and Sweets. I just decorated that, and I've sewn a signature inside there, so you can about 10 pages or so in there, and that could just slip in the back, so you can write all your treats and things in there. And then I also created a little shopping book. It's just got a shopping list pages in it, and they're stuck together at the top so they can be torn off. So if you're making one of your recipes and you need to go and buy stuff, you can write your bits on there and just tear that out and take it with you. So yeah, that was my idea for this. I just thought it would be a lovely gift for somebody, or you know, a present for someone, whatever, or keep for yourself. Look nice in the, you know, as I said, like a little shelf in the kitchen or somewhere nice that you can keep it and just go to and grab your recipe cards out of. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.